Hey guys, I'm Flo. Rice pancakes is a snack or a meal depending on how you serve it. I like eating it with Nigerian Suya, some vegetables and a chilled drink with some suya pepper sprinkled on top. You can eat it with any meal that you normally pair with the conventional pancakes. Akamo, custard. It's so easy to prepare. You will need soft rice, the type used to make tuwo shinkafa. Pig milk. There's no pancake without pig milk. Cooked rice. Leftover boiled white rice is okay for this. Sugar, onions, egg, yeast, salt, and vegetable oil for frying. For alternatives, you can use rice flour if you don't have tuwo shinkafa rice. And you can use onion powder instead of fresh onions. Soak the soft rice in warm water overnight or for at least 8 hours. Put all the ingredients into a blender. And pour just enough water to help the blades of your blender move and blend till smooth. Pour into a bowl, cover and leave in a warm place for about 30 minutes. I usually put it in my oven, but the oven has to be turned off. Then fry like you would normal pancakes on low to medium heat. When the underside is golden, turn over to fry the other side. Serve with Nigerian Suya and a chilled drink. Yum!